Do you believe we can earn real money from playing games? The highest income can make up to $15,000 per hour. In this video, I will show you 4 methods to make money by playing games online. No matter if you are a casual gamer or a hardcore fan, just watch it until the end. The first option is to start your gaming channel on YouTube, upload videos of challenging gameplay or tutorials, and share them with millions of viewers. How to monetize your channel? First, Patreon. In a fledgling period, some loyal followers can support your channel by becoming your patrons on platforms like Patreon. Also, you can sell your own products or service, such as game tutorial videos on Udemy. C. Over 1,000 students have registered on Minecraft Guide on Udemy. Or, collaborate with brands by presenting them on your channel. Last, YouTube ads. When you get enough views and subscribers, you can participate in the YouTube Partner Program and monetize your channel by enabling ads. For YouTubers with 1 million subscribers, their annual income can rake in $60,000. How to promote products or brands on YouTube. Here is an example. To enrich your YouTube channel and attract a larger audience, producing high-quality videos is a must. Therefore, we recommend you use VideoSolo Screen Recorder. Its game recorder mode is excellent for capturing gameplay, while video recorder is suitable for recording detailed game tutorials. Get more info from the link below. If you are good at creating game assets ranging from 3D models and motion capture animation to game scenes, make the most of your creativity and sell them online. Some websites like Unreal Engine Marketplace, Unity Asset Store, and Game Dev Market are good places for selling them. Taking Game Dev Market as an example. Open it on a browser and create an account. Then, you can add your assets and fill in the list. Next, upload your zip files and wait for approval. Apart from YouTube, Twitch is another popular platform for streaming your live gameplay and interacting with fans. After becoming a monetized streamer, you can receive $5 for every subscriber who visits your channel. Similar to YouTube, subscriptions, ads, and donations can be your income source. It should be noted that becoming a successful YouTuber or Twitch streamer needs time investment and hard work, but financial gain can be quite potential. Looking forward to more tips? Subscribe and keep watching. If you want to make money more directly, how about competing in video game tournaments? To do that, you need regular practice and improve your gaming strategies. Some esports events such as Fortnite World Cup and League of Legends World Championship are available for you to attend. Considering which method to choose? Remember to make use of strengths like your gaming skills, communication ability, creativity, etc. What are you good at? Feel free to leave a comment below. Isn't it fantastic to know these secrets? Subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and click here to get more for gameplay.